I've been seeing that a viral TikTok hack with the lip gloss and eyeshadow. I want to give it a try. So I just need to take out the lip gloss that I currently have on right now. And we're gonna have to wait for this to dry down a bit. So I have my eyeshadow here. This is somewhat a pigmented eyeshadow, boo. Okay. Now I'm going to put on my lip gloss. I have the Juicy Bomb Essence one. This is the red. It's pretty. I should have used this one right here. So in person it looks a whole lot more prettier than on camera. I think with a nice lip liner, I think I'll feel better.